Hello soldiers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve a challenge from Hackerrank in Python domain. This is the second video in this series. So let's get started. So we are going to solve this arithmetic operators challenge. Let's click on solve challenge. So the problem statement is the provided code stub reads two integers from stdin a and b. Add code to print three lines where the first line contains the sum of the two numbers, the second line contains the difference of the two numbers first and second, the third line contains the product of the two numbers. So first we need to print the first line sum of two numbers and the second line containing difference and the third line product. That's superb. So just what we are going to do, sum equals to a plus b and next this one, second line contains difference, right? Just give variable difference. So here also someone that would be better. Yeah, now the last one, product equals to a into b. Just print someone here, difference, here product. Let's run this code. Yeah, let's try to submit the code. It's done. Yeah, I am just checking for the next question. It's quite easy, right? We'll move to the next one. Here the provided code stub reads two integers a and b from stdin and logic to print two lines. The first line should contain the result of integer division a double slash b. That means we won't get, when we divide a by b, we won't get any floating value, we'll get integer value. The second line should contain the result of floating division a by b, so it will give us the floating division value. No rounding or formatting is necessary. So this is our second problem. I just give variable name div1, okay, equals to a by b. I just print this thing. So now we are moving to the second one. I just give div2 a by b. That's enough. Print div2. Yeah, let's run this code. Let's see if we get any error. Yeah, let's submit the code. Done.